On May 4, 2016, DDOT and Volkerts Landscape Architects took members of the Oregon Avenue community for a walk through portions of a recently completed DDOT green infrastructure project in the vicinity of Oregon Avenue. The purpose of the walk was to explain the importance of these sustainable stormwater management practices and the expected appearance and maintenance of these facilities. LID facilities treat stormwater runoff on-site by capturing water and allowing infiltration in specialized structures that include multiple layers of underground granular material. The goal is to prevent erosion problems downstream in the outfalls and tributaries of Rock Creek Park. Runoff from the roadway will capture pollutants such as oil, sand, gravel, and trash, which make their way downstream and contaminate ecosystems in Rock Creek and the Potomac River. Containing pollutants and sediments within the LID facilities will help improve water quality, wildlife habitat, and biodiversity. On our walk, the group looked at 3 types of LID facilities. The first one was the interlocking permeable pavement used on a parking lane. The pavers are ADA compliant and blend in with the proposed exposed aggregate sidewalk. This LID facility will capture stormwater runoff directly from the roadway, but also from contributing impervious areas such as roofs, driveways, and sidewalks. The second installation was permeable rubber sidewalk to be used around existing trees. This sidewalk treatment is designed to prevent damage to existing tree roots and provide an accessible path for pedestrians around large trees. The appearance of the sidewalk will match the exposed aggregate sidewalk that will run the length of Oregon Avenue. By far, the most extensively used LID facility on Oregon Avenue will be bioretention planters. The planters are located between the roadway and the sidewalk and are plant-based reservoirs that collect runoff from openings in the roadway curb. Not every plant is suitable for bioretention planters. Plants need to be adaptive and resilient. There are several design criteria for selecting these plants. These include height restrictions, low maintenance, tolerance to changing water levels and urban stress. One of the goals is for the corridor's landscape to blend in with Rock Creek Park, so additional factors also include wildlife value, tolerance to deer grazing, and aesthetics. Curb openings allow water to enter a planter. Sediments such as gravel and dirt, as well as pollutants such as trash and oil, often end up inside these planters. The traditional method of managing stormwater would have sent these sediments and pollutants to a catch basin and conveyed these to a nearby outfall and eventually end up in the park or the Potomac River. These planters are designed to capture and treat runoff from steady rains or the initial part of a heavy storm, otherwise known as the first flush. The first flush will wash away most of the pollutants and sediments on the roadway surface. Check dams help slow down runoff within the planter to increase the rate of infiltration. Overflows and underdrains, as well as curb openings at the end of bioretention planters, prevent flooding and long-standing water within the bioretention planter itself. As any feature in the landscape, these systems need maintenance. DDOT will provide maintenance 3 times a year based on the needs of each specific facility. Additional maintenance, such as cleaning curb openings and removing trash, may be provided by adjacent property owners or dedicated civic organizations. The benefits of LID facilities are extensive. For residents, they enhance community character and promote pedestrian-friendly environments, improving quality of life. For the broader community, they strengthen the connection with its surroundings and help protect the natural environment. The design for Oregon Avenue includes a series of LID facilities throughout the corridor. These are incorporated and blended in with the overall streetscape and roadway design in a comprehensive system that addresses transportation safety, environmental concerns, and the preservation of Rock Creek Park and Oregon Avenue's character.